And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to track a form inside of Google Analytics. This is another tracking type that takes Analytics and Tag Manager to set up. So we're going to track this form right here, which is the contact form. So we're going to go over to Analytics and click Admin and Goals and New Goal. And we're going to name it. And this is going to be an event-based goal. So we'll click on Event and Continue. And the category is going to be Contact Form. And the action will be Click. And the label will be Contact Form Submit. And we'll go ahead and leave this right here for a second, and we'll head over to Tag Manager. On Tags, and then New Tag. And we'll name the tag Contact Form Submit, and then we'll configure our tag, which we're going to use Universal Analytics. And under the tracking type, we're going to pick Event, and then we are going to use the exact same category, action, and label as we did in Analytics. So the category was Contact Form, and the action was Click, and the label was Contact Form Submit. And it is a non-interactive hit, and we'll go down, we'll click our Google Analytics variable. Then we will set up the trigger. Now, so we'll set a new one. We'll hit the little plus button over here. We'll call this Contact Form Trigger. And then we will configure the form, that trigger. And we're going to do the same thing down here. We're going to go to form submission, and we're only going to do some forms, and we're going to use a built-in variable, which is the form ID and contains. So let's go back over here to the site. We're going to right click on the form and hit inspect. We're going to look for the form ID in the source code over here. And so we can see right here that the ID is WP Forms 10. So I'm going to copy that, pull it over to Tag Manager, and hit save. And save again. And then we'll jump back over to Analytics, and everything looks good here. And we'll click save. And that is how you track a form with Google Analytics and Tag Manager.